Hi, what's going on? I go by the name DolapoTheVibe, and I'm a singer, songwriter, performer, and I'm here for the sounds of Afrobeat. You already know. It feels good being here. There's a lot of beautiful people, talented performers and songwriters. The energy in the room is amazing also, so yeah, looking forward to the show. Honestly, I just vibe. That's what I say. I just vibe. If I hear the beat and I like it, I just express myself. You know, it just comes like I can't explain it. It's not like I guess I listen to a lot of people, so it's probably a combination of too many people that I listen to, and addition of myself, my personality into the music. So I guess that's what it is. I know you look at me, Asha, I love Asha a lot. Yeah, so I listen to Asha, a lot of Asha, so I just love the way she sounds and the way she expresses the art, you know, it's different. It's not basic, you know, and that's me. I don't like to do things the regular way, so Asha is my mentor, on God, no cap. Bankuli is my big brother, friend, everything, man. It's my manager too, you know. We started working together when I put out my debut single in August 2019, and it's been beautiful. You know, he's a good person. It's a blessing. It's been a blessing to me. So I thank God for that. Yeah. I thank God for that. Being in the army has taught me a lot. I thank God for the opportunity. That's really all I got to say. I mean, it's cool stuff. I'm enjoying it.
Yeah.
showcases like this are important because we need to let people know that there's a lot more than, like, there's a lot of people outside of Nigeria that could actually do music, that are talented. Like, you don't have to be out in Africa for them to know. And Afrobeats is like the next big thing. So aside from being in Nigeria, the fact that we're out here, we need to place ourselves. We need to place ourselves in a way that people know that Afrobeats is the next big thing. You know, so this is really good, I would say. I just put out a single in January. It's titled "A Wolf." I'm working on an EP, so y'all should be expecting that. You can check out my music. I got YouTube, iTunes, Spotify, Tidal, everywhere, man. DolapoTheVibe. It's the same name everywhere. I'm on Instagram, Twitter, DolapoTheVibe. YouTube is DolapoTheVibe official. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, download my music, stream, share it with people, and just spread the love, man. Tell them about the vibe. You can't just be listening to the song alone. It's too nice for you to be listening to it alone. Let me gas myself up a little bit.
Show me love. Hey, show me love. Show me love. Show me love. Show me love. Whatever you want, bring it for you. Show me what you're into. Show me what you're into. What you're into. Show me what you're into.
What's up, people? I go by the name DolapoTheVibe, and I'm chilling with Young Oprah. Just make sure you keep watching and supporting. Thank you.